Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, I've put up a new garden tool organizer, and this is a heavy-duty garden tool organizer from a company called LBT. They have sent this to me. This is a 99-inch version of their organizer. Now, I will show you the unboxing and how I put it together. Alright, so this is the LBT heavy-duty garden tool organizer, and obviously you can put a lot more on this than just garden tools, but basically a whole shop organizer if you want. This one that I got is the 99-inch model. They have a 49.5-inch for $72, 66-inch for $64, and a 99-inch for $89. All right, and anyway, so let's open this up and get into it. I do have, as you see, I have some organization currently, of course, but that was kind of a quick and easy organization. I really want to condense my tools a little further. So actually, this came like really well packaged. Everything was nice and neat and clean and organized. And these guys, you can see it's like flat on the bottom. So it's like this, and then it's got almost like a French cleat on the top here. It's that angle, right? So that you can hook things onto it. So these are, I believe, 16 inches, 16.5 inches long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And then we have hanging hardware. All right. Which is nice. And then we have, so they have different types of hardware depending on what kind of walls you have. So some of these are for like cement anchors if you have a concrete wall, and then if you have like a drywall or whatever, you can put these drywall anchors in, or you could just drill right into your wood studs, which is what I'm gonna do. So let's move that out of the way. Let's see what else we have here. There's a lot of hardware. Okay, so there's 5 6-inch single hooks. There's 5 6-inch double hooks. There is 3 of the long hooks with the upper and lower hooks. And these ones are quite long. These ones are 9.5 inches long. Okay. And then we have some straps. These are Velcro straps. These will be good for things like your extension cords. And things that you can't hang normally. You can use these cool straps. They have the hook that you can put right over top, like so. I use the ladder as a placeholder because I don't have a buddy to help me out here. So I'll put the level up, find a perfect level, and we will mark it. Center of this. Yes, sir. Okay. How's that look? Much better. These hook on like this on like a French cleat, and you put that on the top and you rotate it back, and down at the bottom here, these little pads, it has these 2 little pads, and they help to lock it in place, and this back piece supports it. So grab your tools where you want them to be, and I'm trying to get everything really close to each other, so I want it to be really dense. So get everything really close without interfering. So let's see here. So I'm gonna lock that one in, and then I can put my shovels on it. There we go. That is a 70-pound dumbbell. Zoom in on that so you can see the number. 70 pounds. So you might be asking, is it strong? Yeah, it looks pretty strong. All right, so this is what I've come up with. I'll give you a closer view of this. All right. So we have 3 rakes there. Lots of shovels. 3 more shovels. Broom and a ice scraper. Big broom. Some cables. Weed eater. And then a snow shovel at the end. All right, so this is what I've got at the moment. The nice thing about these is you can just take them off and move them. I've used every hook except for one. What do I think about the product? I really like the product a lot. I think it's really well done. It's strong. It's a great organizer. It's easy to use. There's lots of mounting holes to fasten it to the wall, just in case you don't hit the studs. So you can, there's 10 holes? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so you can distribute that weight over a wide area. So no matter what you're putting it in, it'll hold it no matter what, all right? So they're strong, obviously. I showed you the weight test. And they're movable and reusable. There's 3 different types of hanging brackets, plus the Velcro straps, which are really awesome. And the hangers lock in place and they don't come off during use. So that's the nice part about it too, is that they stay in place. So you won't have to worry about picking up your tool and having it fall off, just like, you know, the cheap metal pegs for pegboard. They're supposed to have a rust-proof coating. Obviously, I can't test that, but time will tell. It looks good. That's all I can say is it looks really good. And what else is there? Okay, a couple of things that I'd like to change. So the hardware that it comes with, right off the bat, my second screw, I stripped the head out of the screw. So I would suggest not using these, but using your own hardware, okay? It would be nice if it was possible to order more of these hangers and specific types. I think that would be a great option. And I'd change the size of the hanging rails. They're 16.5 inches, but in North America, our wood framing is 16-inch on center. So in order for you to hit the studs every time, they would have to be 16 inches wide. All right. And yeah, that's just to match the stud spacing in our wall systems. All right. So that's it. Other than that, like, I really like it. It gives you a lot of capacity. You can hang a lot of tools on the same hanger because of the depth of them. They're quite deep. And they even have even longer ones, which is really nice. I would have preferred, I think, the long one and a separate short one, like a really short one, because those are really nice too. So it would be, you know, it'd be nice to have that other option. I really like these Velcro straps. I think they're a great idea. I could use a bunch more of these for things like garden hoses, for all my electrical cords, because I've got a bunch more of these extension cords. You'd be surprised how many extension cords you end up having. So overall, yeah, totally love the product. I think it's a good value when you compare systems. Some of the other products that I've seen, you can't do nearly as much for the cost of this one. So it gives you the size, the flexibility, and the capability. All right. In the description, I'll have a link to the websites and hopefully a discount code. If I have that, that'll also be in the description. All right. I think this would also make a pretty good present for Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas, for any guy that's into shop organization, DIY, that sort of thing. Somebody that has one of these jackets would probably really appreciate something like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.